In July 2019, a few builders from the LEGO Machine Community Discord server brought up the idea to have a Coca-Cola machine collaboration. Not long after, 10 people agreed to collaborate. However, weeks turned into months, and less than half of the people ended up making the machine. My first year of university started in September of that same year, and my machine was stored away. In May 2020, after school was done, I got the urge to build again. I was left with a paper concept and a dusty, half-built machine that didn't even have a mechanism yet. I tore away the old design and built it back up. To use the machine, the owner needs to turn it on. In the owner's program, they can access a file where they can see how much profit they've made over time. But first, they need to enter a 5-pin security combination. As you can tell, we're kinda loaded. Speaking of, 3 cans fit in the back, along with some ice packs that keep them cool. This piece keeps the wires from making contact with the ice packs. The main program can now be set. Nickels, dimes, quarters, and toonies are rejected, but loonies are accepted. Let's buy some more. Whenever the consumer buys a Coca-Cola, the stock updates automatically to let them know how many are left. Once the machine is out of stock, it displays the message accordingly. If the customer tries to buy more, the money is returned to them. At this point, the owner can restock the machine. They can press a button to restart the main program. The profits should also be collected at this point. They can always go back to the owner's menu to see their total profit. So we've seen the machine in action, but how does it work? The Mindstorm's EV3 brick is essentially the brain of the machine. It communicates with the sensors and motors to perform their actions. This is the coin rejection mechanism. Coins smaller in diameter than a $1 Canadian coin will fall in between the rails. But how about $2 coins? Since $2 coins are larger than $1 coins, I had to come up with a new mechanism to reject them. Quite simply, a triangular piece tilts the coin just enough to guide it on top of one of the railings, making the coin tilt just enough to not catch on to the other railing, making the coin fall through. $1 coins, however, slide right by. They are then detected by a color sensor. The increase in light intensity lets the program know a dollar has passed by. There is just enough room for 3 $1 coins to stack up, to allow any additional coins to slide past. Going back to the main process, a large motor controls a flap that allows the cans to roll down a slope. The flap returns to its initial position. After that, a medium motor pushes the can out for the consumer to enjoy. Here comes the headache: the program. Each of these blocks perform an action or calculation. This sequence of blocks simply resets the total money received when needed. These blocks read the profit and write the amount into the system. This loop waits for a coin to pass the color sensor. After a coin has passed, the program reads the profit and does a simple calculation that adds 1 more to the total money received. At the same time, the large motor dispenses the Coca-Cola and the medium motor pushes it out. The thank you message is then played. This is the stock. The message and color changes after each coin detected by the color sensor. This then loops another 2 times. After it has done so, it waits for the button from behind the machine to be pressed. This part of the program is the owner's menu. It consists of many true or false loops. When an incorrect code is entered, the loop reads the result as false and sends it back to the first position. When the correct 5-pin combination is entered, the EV3 brick displays the owner's menu, showing the total money received that is read from the main part of the program. Once another pin is pressed, the loop goes back to the original position. And that was the LEGO Coca-Cola machine. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far, it means a lot. Also, September 20 marks LEGO Machine Day. It was initiated by 5 LEGO machine builders in 2019 for the 10th anniversary of the LEGO machine community. This year, the LEGO machine community turns 11 years old. To celebrate, build yourself a LEGO machine. Get creative and design your own, or follow countless tutorials on YouTube. If you're a LEGO machine builder, come join the LEGO Machine Community Discord server. It's a great resource for LEGO machine builders to give out tips, ideas, get help with machines, or just talk. And that's it for the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Please share, subscribe, ring that notification bell even though I don't upload, and have a wonderful day.